This model kit review is of a Hawker Hurricane, and this is the Mk.II version, and it's the night version, and it's by HobbyCraft. It's a 1/48 scale model, and it says it contains some photo etched parts, so we'll have a look at those. And I don't see any other details here. Let's have a look inside. Starting off with our fuselage, we've got a fair amount of surface detail. We have some recessed panel lines with some raised rivet lines on both sides. We have some detail on the inside of this cockpit. And our wings seem to be fairly detailed as well. We have our landing lights. These are all recessed panel lines, and we'll have to have a look to see what shows up underneath our wheels here. Looks like we do have a wheel well over here, which is some detail. This is the bulkhead for behind the seat. Here's our seat. Here is our instrument panel with some details there. Our propellers, we do have some holes in the propellers that need to get filled. Our wheels, landing gear, wheel well covers, spinner, air intake for the radiator. Here's our stabilizer, some guns. We also have our control stick here. Here is our canopy as well as landing light covers. And then we have our decals with a fair amount of detail. And here are our photo etched parts, which has got a very nice amount of detail there. So here it shows you what the photo etched parts, what their numbers are. And we'll start off with the instructions. Here they have it again. We start off, it looks like, with the propeller and the wheel well. Then the cockpit's put together, and this is where the photo etched parts come in handy. And the cockpit is put together with the instrument panel, seat belts. Looks like there's going to end up being a lot of detail in here. That's put inside the fuselage. If you want the tropical air intake, you can do that. We put the wings together, and the radiator intake. Canopy goes on. Wheels are put together. And the landing gear and the guns. The rest of the guns are put together with the air intake and the landing gear are actually put on there. Let's have a look at our painting and decal guide. So there's a tropical version, North Africa. Here's one from the Middle East. Here's one from England, the Night Intruder. And then there's a Canadian version. So all in all, surprising level of detail. Nice addition to the photo etched parts. And so even some nice wheel wells.